Welcome to Mathematics and Geography, Mapping the World with Numbers. In this video, we will explore the fascinating relationship between mathematics and geography and how they work together to help us understand the world around us. A globe spinning, maps of different regions, mathematical equations and formulas. Mathematics is the language of science, and geography is the study of the Earth's surface and its features. When we combine these two disciplines, we can create maps that help us understand the world in a more meaningful way. A map of the world with different colors and markings, graphs and charts. In this video, we will explore how mathematics is used in geography to create maps, analyze data, and solve real-world problems. We will also look at some of the most important mathematical concepts used in geography, such as coordinates, projections, and scale. A graph showing population growth, a map with different projections, a ruler measuring distance. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of mathematics and geography. One of the most important mathematical concepts used in geography is coordinates. Coordinates are used to locate points on a map or a globe. A map with latitude and longitude lines, a globe with coordinates marked. Latitude and longitude are the two coordinates used to locate any point on the Earth's surface. Latitude measures the distance north or south of the equator, while longitude measures the distance east or west of the prime meridian. A diagram showing the equator and prime meridian, a map with latitude and longitude lines marked. Another important concept in geography is projections. Projections are used to represent the three-dimensional surface of the Earth on a two-dimensional map. A map with different projections, a globe with a flat map projected onto it. There are many different types of projections, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some projections preserve the shape of land masses, while others preserve the distance between points. A map with different projections highlighted, a graph showing the distortion of different projections. It's important to choose the right projection for the task at hand, depending on what information you want to convey. A map with different projections labeled for specific uses. So, by using coordinates and projections, we can create accurate and useful maps that help us understand the world around us. Another important mathematical concept used in geography is scale. Scale is used to represent the relationship between the size of an object on a map and its actual size in the real world. A map with a scale bar, or ruler measuring distance on a map. For example, a map with a scale of 1/10,000 means that 1 unit on the map represents 10,000 units in the real world. A map with different scales labeled, a graph showing the relationship between scale and detail. Scale is important because it allows us to accurately measure distances on a map. By using a ruler or a scale bar, we can determine the actual distance between 2 points on a map. A map with a ruler measuring distance, a graph showing the relationship between distance and scale. Distance is another important concept in geography. It's the measurement of how far apart 2 points are. A map with distance marked between 2 points, a graph showing the relationship between distance and time. Distance is used to calculate travel time, to determine the size of a region, and to analyze patterns of movement. A map with different regions labeled, a graph showing patterns of movement. So, by using scale and distance, we can create accurate and useful maps that help us understand the world around us. Mathematics is also used in geography to analyze data. By using statistical methods, we can identify patterns and trends in geographic data. A graph showing population growth, a map with different colors representing data, a chart showing weather patterns. For example, we can use data analysis to study population growth, weather patterns, and natural disasters. A graph showing natural disaster frequency, a map with different colors representing natural resources. We can also use data analysis to study the distribution of natural resources, the impact of human activity on the environment, and the movement of people and goods. A map showing trade routes, a graph showing migration patterns. By analyzing data, we can make informed decisions about how to manage resources, plan for the future, and respond to emergencies. A map showing emergency response routes, a graph showing the impact of climate change. So, by using data analysis, we can gain a deeper understanding of the world around us and make better decisions to improve our lives. In conclusion, mathematics and geography are two disciplines that work together to help us understand the world around us. By using coordinates, projections, scale, and data analysis, we can create accurate and useful maps that help us make informed decisions about our environment, our resources, and our future. A globe spinning, maps of different regions, mathematical equations and formulas, a graph showing the relationship between mathematics and geography. Mathematics is the language of science, and geography is the study of the Earth's surface and its features. By combining these two disciplines, we can create a more complete picture of the world and the forces that shape it. A map with different layers of information, a graph showing the relationship between mathematics and geography. So, whether you're studying the movement of people and goods, the impact of climate change, or the distribution of natural resources, mathematics and geography are essential tools for understanding the world around us. A map with different layers of information, a graph showing the relationship between mathematics and geography, a globe spinning. Thank you for watching Mathematics and Geography, Mapping the World with Numbers. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the fascinating relationship between mathematics and geography.